Madam. I'm Gretchen Cardona, 23 years old, married. I have one child. I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Tourism.
Hi, Miss Gretchen. How are you right now?
I'm fine, sir, Madam.
Okay, what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Must be honest, hardworking, and flexible.
How will you avoid your homesickness?
To avoid my homesickness, to make myself busy and focus to my work.
So can you tell me the proper way in how to take care of the children?
The proper way to take care of a good children is to feed them, give them vitamins, send them in school, and treat them as my own child.
So what if you commit a mistake and the employer scolds you, what will you do?
I will say sorry and I will not do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, please do hire me because I need this job for the future of my family and to my child because I need it and I promise to finish my contract in 2 years.
Thank you, Miss Gretchen, and good luck.
Thank you, ma'am, sir.